Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eagle Fly. Today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for marcos.com, so stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload any video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Eagle Fly, I upload promo codes for so much of the companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so much of the companies. Like recently, I upload a new video on jessiepenny.com, Subway, Walgreens, Papa John's, Forever 21, Chew, Abercrombie, Instacart, Figs, Fish Fashion, Nova Fanatics, and so much other companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so much other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So the code number 1 I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you medium specialty pizzas for $10.99 each. So the code number 1 is HD199. Yeah, this is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So this is the only available valid code right now, so redeem this code and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.